I'm here on Conifer Mountain, one of my most favorite neighborhoods in Conifer, Colorado, walking through our latest listing that has the most phenomenal 180-degree views we've ever seen in any of our listings. From every room in this home and from the multi-level composite deck, you can take in these incredible views of Mount Blue Sky, Rosalie Peak, Lion's Head, Staunton State Park, Black Mountain, and on a super clear day, you can even see Pikes Peak. 11537 Green Circle creates easy mountain living with its proximity to 285, making it only 25 minutes to the Denver metro area. And the local shopping, dining, and schools are an easy 15 minutes away. This home also has a south-facing driveway, paved roads that are county maintained, public water and sewer, solar panels, and it's even on the school bus route. Allow Mount Blue Sky to greet you as you enter into this inviting and spacious open floor plan. The custom stacked stone gas fireplace anchors the living room and sets the stage for those gorgeous windows to frame the magical sunset behind the vast mountain range. The chef's kitchen is just off the main living and dining, featuring Kenmore Pro Commercial fridge and freezer, double oven, a whisper quiet Bosch dishwasher, and an oversized walk-in pantry. The main level primary suite with access to the expansive deck includes a walk-in closet, a 5-piece bath with a soaking tub, and views. The soaring ceilings on the main floor reach the second story, allowing you to embrace the mountains from the loft and the 3 spacious bedrooms upstairs. The spacious lower-level walkout offers space for a second living area, a gym, and a rec room, and hosts a 5th bedroom with a private full bath. Access to the second-level deck leads you to the hot tub with views, creating a perfect opportunity for entertaining friends and family. If you want these spectacular views with easy mountain living, reach out and let's take a tour together of this magical home.